Hello, and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 4th grade concept of measurement problems. This is standard 4.8C in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 34 of the 2018 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work the problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So Melanie has a whole bunch of money here. 2 $10 bills, 5, 4 dimes, 6 pennies. She buys a fruit cup for $2.19, and we're just looking for the change. So it is going to end up being a simple subtraction, but the question here is how much money does she have to begin with? We don't have that, and all they're doing is giving us some types of bills and coins. So let's see if we can draw this here. Let me see if I could draw a representation. So I've got 2 $10 bills. I've got a $5 bill. Now we get into the coins. 4 dimes. All right, so I'm just going to draw these little D's. And that's just going to represent my dime. Easier that way. And then 6 pennies. All right, so I've got to make sure my pennies don't look like dimes. So I've got 6 of them. And I'll just kind of crowd them down here. So here we go. See, I've got my money here, and let's just go ahead and put the items out here. So I've got $10. Now I'm going to need to use dollars and cents because we are getting into some cents. So $10, 10, and we're going to use the decimal. And we've got $5, so let's make sure we line that up correctly here. So I've got each of these dimes, and each of these dimes are worth 10 cents each, so we need to make sure that we show it like this, 0.10. So I'm going to go ahead and just group all of these together, right? So 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is 40 cents. So I'm going to show it like this, 0.40. And then I've got 6 cents here. This is where things get tricky. Because if you put it like this, watch, this is how we do it incorrectly. See, that's not 6 cents. That's actually 60 cents because that's in the 10-cent spot. So that's incorrect. We need to make sure we show it like this. 0.06. It's actually in the hundredths spot because pennies, it takes 100 pennies to make $1, so that's why we need our pennies to start in the hundredths spot. So this, all of this is finally going to let me know how much money Melanie actually has to begin with. That's quite a bit. It looks like a lot, but honestly, if you take a look at each column and you made them nice and neat, you're going to notice that there's not much regrouping. There's not actually any regrouping needed. So if you look at this hundredths column, 0, 0, 0, 0, and 6, that's just going to be 6. Look at the tenths column. In this case, it's the 10 cents column, 0, 0, 0, 4, and 0. So that's a 4. Look at the $1 column, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0. That's just 5. Then I've only got 2 in our $10 column. So this is how much she has, $25.46, which is an answer, which we're not going to choose. But of course they're going to put that as an incorrect answer because after all this work, you're like, finally, she has $25.46. That's not the question. The question is, how much money does she have left after she buys the fruit cup for $2.19? So now we need to line up our decimals. It is simple subtraction after that. We are going to have to regroup a little bit, but we need to make sure we do that last step. So let's regroup here. 16 minus 9 is going to give us that 7. 3 minus 1 is going to get us 2, so we've got 27 cents. We need to always bring our decimal down, make sure it's lined up. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus nothing is that 2. We are dealing with dollars. Let's go and put our dollar sign back on there. So we've got $23.27. And you see the answer there. It is H.